Okay, so on question 18, what I suspect would be difficult about starting this question is you do have to remember one of the cofunction identities. So that is an identity that we asked you to memorize earlier this year, but it's not one that you get to use very much. So it said that cosine of pi over 2 minus x is the same thing as sine. So if this guy was squared, like this guy is, then this guy would be squared. So your first step is to change that whole numerator to sine squared. And that doesn't look like any of the choices yet. So the other thing you could do is you could split this sine squared up into sine times sine. And so if you paired up this part of it, sine over cosine, you get tangent. And then you have the sine left over. And now that looks like choice D. So again, as we get closer to the semester exam, if you don't want to be bothered to memorize the quotient identities, you did remember that and you don't want to be bothered to, then that's the type of thing you could put on your note card. Was there anything else about the question that you needed help on?
I think that's